Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Mr. Campbell from MrCampbellRocks.com. Today we're going to talk about the new updated Google Meet Grid View by Campbell. So a lot of you have probably already installed this and it's caused some problems with the old version that he had. This is a completely new extension. I think some of the coding is a little bit similar to the original version, but the way that you can tell the difference is the new version has 9 squares and the old version has 4 squares down here. So before you install the new version, it runs exactly like the old version. There's a few more options and we'll jump into that in a minute. Let's delete or remove the old one. That's where a lot of the problems are coming in, is when both extensions are installed in Chrome. Even if one of them is not active, by having them both installed, it causes some conflict. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to hover over your account icon over here, and you will go, the 3 dots next to your icon. You'll click here, you'll go to settings, and over here where it says extensions, you'll click on extensions, and it'll show all of the extensions that you have connected with your Chrome account. And so what you'll do is you'll scroll down to where it says Google Meet Grid View. Again, this is the old version, the one that has the 4 squares here. And we're just going to click on remove. And we'll remove that. So then that will not cause any problems in the future. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our the new version, right, by Campbell, this one right here. We're going to add to Chrome. We're going to add the extension. You'll see it'll show up. There's the 9 boxes up there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Meet, and we'll go through a few of those options. So I'm going to mute myself and turn off my camera. So again, we'll click on Join Now. This is not new for all of you that have done this before. So you'll see here that we have the extension. So we have some some new options here, but it also tells you which version we're on. So the newest version is the 1.34. You can only show participants with video. You can highlight speakers, which then just puts a little blue box around whoever's speaking. You can include yourself in the grid. You can enable grid view by default. That's how I usually have mine set. When we click on advanced settings, it will give us more specific information about the size of the toolbar, chat and behavior, the video mirrored. All of these options are added to the new Google Meet Grid View. Again, this has just been a quick tutorial. If this brought you value, saved you time, saved you energy, and saved you frustration, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you're here, it's most likely because you're an educator. As always, I love you, I appreciate you, and I am glad that you are here.